Hi everyone, my name is Jacqueline Avina and I'm a student in the College of Agricultural and Environmental Sciences. I enjoyed watching the Newest Emeriti Lectures and in particular Dr. Sabo. Dr. Sabo spoke about his experience and opportunities at UC Davis. He spoke about three different areas. First, patient care and the long-lasting relationships that he was able to develop. The second one, teaching residents, students, fellows, and being able to start fellowship in hand surgery. And he was also able to research activities that he could publish. He could also travel to specific areas and he was able to present that research. Another thing that he spoke about was the joy and the satisfaction that he felt for his patients' great recovery. An example of this being when he reconstructed Bobby Jackson from the Sacramento Kings wrist, and he saw him go from rehab to being able to get back on the court and where he was able to throw a three-pointer. He spoke of his work with bioengineering students, medical students, and residents who he said are a joy to work with. He also traveled to places around South America and even Japan for travel fellowships. Dr. Sabo has had a great career with amazing opportunities and is grateful to have had them at UC Davis. Thank you, Doctors Robert Sabo, Gary May, Cal Qualset, Paul Gepps, Bruce Hammock, Isaac Pesa, Bill Lacey, Inez Hernandez Avila, Ken Burtis, and Arthur Shapiro. Thank you very much.